Yeah, man, ShottaFlowtv, you know. And that me saying, no. Big up yourself all the time, you know. You don't know ShottaFlowtv.
Yeah, man, ShottaFlowtv here once again with the latest topic update, news and reviews. My people, once again, big up on yourself at all the times. So right about now, we're going to jump down into some things, you know, what's going on in the dancehall music, what take place, and, you know, the update of everything and the drama and everything what's going on and what take place at the moment. So right about now, we're going to talk about dancehall artists. Yes, dancehall artists, you know, right now them kind of making a blend in the dancehall with war, clash, song. For draw the attention right now for the public and the fans them, you know, subscribers, you know, everybody come together and watch the drama and see what go on. You don't know, say, you know, to keep the topic relevant. Yes, that may try to make you know in the dancehall business right about now. You see what me I say? A long time the clashing thing are going in the business. You know, at one point it slowed down, but it pick up back. You know, understand? That's how the thing go. Remember say, Beanie Man, them, Bounty Killer, Vibes Cartel, Mavado. All of these artists you don't know, say, them are the foundation when it come to the clashing part of the business. Now you come up now and have the new entertainers, TJ them. You understand how me I say? Valiant. You understand you have man like Alkaline them. You know, the whole of the big artists them now are the new entertainment. Right about now we're going with the whole heap of things. You see what me I say? Enough more artists. You understand? But you don't know, say I saw the biz go. Everybody play a little role in other part there. Cause you know, say you have a lot of great entertainers come out of Jamaica. So me have to give big respect and big buzz to the artists them all the time. Now the difference what I love between dancehall and reggae, there's a big difference. Here we go on now. You see when it comes to dancehall, dancehall bring a more violence and crime and, you know, them type of things that you understand what me I say. Wolipa, you know, I just saw the thing go. A dancehall that. Dancehall have a lot of whole heap of enemy in the dancehall industry. You have fight against people in the dancehall. I mean, you're gonna find that anyway. But I just saw dancehall trend. Dancehall is more of a war-based situation for you to even come out of the pack as a dancehall artist. It's not easy. And a whole heap of fight you gotta go through, you know, and a whole heap of things. Even though in reggae also, but the difference is there is more beef and violence and more anger in a dancehall. And that me have to say with dancehall. But me love dancehall. So right now we're going to talk about this culture, roots and reggae. Yes, reggae music now stand out, you understand, with high positive vibration, upliftment, and these type of levels of energy that reggae bring. That's the huge difference. You understand? I don't say certain things don't take place in a reggae behind the scene where, you know, maybe you have altercation between different producers, artists, or wherever. But the music and the message from reggae music is a resonation that help to uplift. Anyone who vibrate with these music can uplift them spirit. You understand when me I say? And take them to a different level. That's the difference between dancehall and reggae. Yes. And also, in reggae music, the younger generation can resonate to it. No matter how young they are, them can resonate and listen to these music because it fill their mental with proper message. You understand what me I say? Yes, dancehall is great, but it's for people who understand the level of their consciousness and can handle certain things. Cause anybody supposed to can resonate to dancehall because them hear some song and them take it literally and make it become a reality. No, I don't saw this thing for work. It's all about balance when it comes to dancehall. You have to know how for balance. You see what I say? That's the difference. Don't forget, so we have the younger generation and the younger youth them who are going and I grow into this society which going to take for we place. So we have to make sure we feed the youth them with proper message and right way of living together as one. You understand? Yes, so we have to be careful what we feed in the youth them. Cause right now, all the CEOs right now who responsible and run all these major social media platform, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, youth, all of it, and many, many more, right now is in big situation and problem right now with the Senate. You understand? Where a lot of things have been okay to upload that are causing problem in the younger youth lives and causing all life and all of these things. So censorship, probably need for start to do even more restrict whichever way you go. You understand what I say? But you don't know what dancehall and reggae still no fall right there so in another category at this moment, because say them love censor out everything. And also, some of these social media are willing to work with the Senate. Some of them don't, because they have a thing in place where you cannot sue them or do none of this stuff. That's the big thing behind it. So they're trying to figure out a way how to get this thing from that restriction. You don't know me people. But me have to say, I saw the thing go. Anyway, back to the music now. Remember me tell you that say, me love reggae music to the bottom of my heart because it's very inspirational. It's a blessed vibes. And also, me love dancehall because me understand my level of consciousness. I mean, I go dig myself down too deep into certain things. You understand what I say? Man, I have to know how to filter out certain things. You understand? I saw the thing go. Yes, my people, you don't know, say I saw the thing go. You understand what I say? A peace and love me saying at all the times. You don't know. So me just come to talk about these things today. Drop some thoughts and, certain things and what go on in the social media, in the industry and all around the world. You understand what I say? But you don't know, my people. Say one love and peace we say, at all the time. And me say no love and blessings as always. Anyone out there in the world, remember that because the whole of we there as one. Some people don't understand. Because if you take a plane and go way up in the sky and you look down, you see a round ball with everything there on it. Now one that me I try make you know. You see what me I say? So just go and bless up and big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for the latest of that me say. Bang! Until then, you don't know, see a ShottaFlowtv round here. Bang!